Up here.
He is the peer pressure.
Yeah, exactly. When I'm around, if he told me to ride on the front wheel of it right now, I'd probably get on it and try, but I'm,
Yeah, because you're scared.
No, yes. Yes, I am.
I keep forgetting about this stupid thing in the back. Hey, put the dog in there. Go on, here.
No strings, no wires. Blue one this time. This boy is gonna drive on the wall with nothing but sheer balls. That's the thing you say to all that, man. No strings, no wires, no glue on the tire. They used to ride right around the wall. You ever see them? I'm telling you, I got hit one of them one time. Wall step.
Don't try this at home.
It's a typical force holds you to the wall and you ride right around.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah. This is a big wall thing. You alive? Hey Dave, I want to show you something I've never seen before. Did you ever see a circle from a front tire?
No.
No, but I've never seen anybody with a bum
kickstand
from the front tire.
I've never seen anybody with a bum leg try that either.
You okay?
Oh my goodness.
This is why you shouldn't try that at home.
Oh my God, I can't even breathe.
We were in a bar one time.
All right.
We need Brady's to do a swamp rat triangle.